Hey everyone! Let's dive into an inspiring story from the Paris 2024 Olympics men's marathon. Ethiopian runner Tola Tamirat has made history by winning the gold medal in the men's marathon, setting a new Olympic record of 2 hours 06 min and 26 seconds. What's truly incredible? Tamirat was a last-minute substitute for an injured teammate. Talk about stepping up under pressure. This win marks the fourth time an Ethiopian athlete has claimed gold in the men's marathon. Alongside him on the podium, Bashir Abdi from Belgium snagged the silver, improving from his bronze in Tokyo 2020. And Kenyan runner Benson Kipruto took home the bronze, dedicating his achievement to the late marathon world record holder, Kelvin Kiptum. The marathon route was a picturesque tour of Paris, starting at the Hôtel de Ville, passing icons like the Louvre and the Palace of Versailles, and finishing at the stunning Invalides Monument. But it wasn't just scenic. The course was tough, with steep climbs and descents that tested every runner's endurance and strategy. Tamirat's victory was all about strategic brilliance. He held a strong position throughout the race and made his decisive move at the 35-kilometer mark, breaking away from the pack. As he crossed the finish line, he was met with roaring applause from the crowd. In a surprising twist, marathon legend Eliud Kipchoge, who aimed to be the first man to win 3 Olympic marathons, struggled and didn't finish. Kipchoge, one of the greatest marathoners of all time, faced unexpected challenges on the course. The marathon excitement didn't end there. The Marathon Pour Tous allowed amateur runners to experience the same iconic route as the Olympic athletes, bringing the spirit of the Olympics to the masses. What a race! If you enjoyed this recap, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic Olympic moments. Thanks for watching.